On display is an engineer-rated RV shelter. You can custom design your cover to fit your needs. This particular RV shelter is the box eave style, where the eave has a 6-inch overhang along the perimeter. You can also get this carport in the regular or rounded style roof. We're viewing just a sample of what one customer designed to serve as an RV shelter. There's a wide variety of widths, lengths, and heights available. Widths range from 10 feet to 40 feet. Leg heights can be anywhere from 6 feet to 16 feet, and lengths vary from 10 feet to 100 feet. This particular carport is 16 feet wide with a 45-foot base rail and is equipped with 12-foot legs, making the peak height 15 feet 4 inches. You can adjust any of these sizes to fit your requirements. As illustrated though, you can see that this very tall RV has plenty of clearance height and even room on the side to deploy the slide outs. Notice the features. The panel on the left gives an extra 3 feet of coverage down the side, as you can see. One panel on the right also provides 3 feet of coverage. This leaves 9 feet open at the bottom on both sides. Again, adjustments can be made with more or less panels to fit your preference. Notice that our unit has braces at every leg and center peak braces per the engineer specifications. Be sure to notice the tabs: description, rating, warranty, question and answer. The prices you generate on our calculator include shipping, installation, and anchoring on the level surface you provide. How long before installation? Some locations in our service area are as little as 2 to 4 weeks, and others are as much as 3 to 6 months. Seasons, workloads, and locations affect install times. How do I get a price for a carport? Allow me to demonstrate. We click the Build and Price in Cart button, and that takes us to the calculator. Now that we're at the calculator, we want to enter our zip code. We'll enter a sample zip code, and we want to click the Start Building button. The first step, step 1, is to select the style. In this case, we'll select a vertical style roof, the box style. Step 2, we want to select the size. In this case, we'll select an 18 wide by 46 feet long with a 12-foot leg height. The next step is the sides and ends. In our sample, we'll want to choose one panel on the left side, 3 feet. Also on the right side, a 3-foot panel. The price tab here, if you click this and expand it, you can see everything about the RV shelter that you've just designed. The colors, the size, the options you've chosen, as well as the lead time and how long it will be until its approximation for installation. Be sure and click the quote button if you want a quote emailed to you. As a reminder, the price you generate here includes shipping, installation, and anchoring on the level surface you provide. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. To visit our site, click the link to this page in the description. Let us know if you have any questions.